Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear? I keep my fire lit and blaze through all so after a day of it, I can enjoy my evening sit. Have courage. Stop hiding. Show up and let yourself be seen. Fear, vulnerability, and growth. Shh. It is natural to want to have the right words for a situation, to feel like you'll have the exact thing to say, right thing to say when everything is wrong. You do not need to do this. You only need to show up and shut up, to close your mouth and listen to others, to yourself, to let the silence sit unfilled for as long as it needs to exist. Don't force things to happen when you want them to happen. Let things unfold when you and the world are ready for them. Be patient. When we are surrendered, there is no longer the pressure of time. Do you agree? Frustration comes from wanting a thing now instead of letting it happen naturally in its own time. Patience is an automatic side effect of letting go, and we know how easy it is to get along with patient people. Notice that patient people usually get what they want in the end. Letters. Write a letter to your future self. What advice would you give? What questions would you ask? And today's quotes and messages. Let your imagination soar. Stay open to all creative ideas about how to pursue a dream or solve a problem. The key is not letting the conditions that surround you be the reason that you offer the vibration you do. My arms grew tired from constantly reaching, so I wrapped them around myself and allowed them to rest. Sometimes I just want to take my $3 and run away. Be the person you want to have in your life. Yes, yes. That feeling of not belonging is a sign that you're supposed to be somewhere else. My aura gets prettier every time I heal. Food trucks, but instead of food, it's therapy, and they're called automobiles. Cute. Today marks the end of a difficult situation. Embrace the change. Expect things to get better now. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.